Hi everyone, my name is Vikas. I am an investment banker. So I hold over 12 years of experience working in the investment banking and financial modeling. So today I'm making this short video for all of those who are looking to build their career in the field of investment banking and financial modeling. So this video will also be relevant for those who are looking to switch their profiles into investment banking and financial modeling and are currently working in the other fields. Okay. So in this short video, I will talk about what are the skill set which is required to become a financial modeling expert. Then I will talk about what are the prerequisites for any financial modeling or investment banking job opportunity. And then I will take you through the entire interview process. And at last, so I will review a financial modeling course based on certain parameter. Okay. So now I'm quickly jumping on the point number one, where I will talk about what are the skill set which is required to become a financial modeling expert. Okay, so the first thing that you will be requiring is the conceptual knowledge. So you should have a good knowledge of basics of finance, accounting, and time value of money. Then you should be able to understand P&L, balance sheet, and cash flow, how the financial statements are basically interlinked with each other. Okay, so then you should have a basics to advanced Excel proficiency. Then you should know like how to work on different types of model like the DCF, LBO, and merger and acquisition model. So then you should also be well versed with like how a business basically generates revenue from its different kind of revenue streams. Okay, so what are the different kind of costs which are associated with the business? So then only you'll be able to do the forecasting for a company. Okay, then the financial modeling is not just about basically preparing a Excel model and just doing something with the numbers. Okay, so how you are basically presenting your data with the have of dashboard charts and storytelling, so that also really matters a lot. Okay, so data presentation is also one of the skills that the investment bank firm or any recruitment firm basically looks into you. Okay, so now I will be talking about what are the prerequisites for any financial modeling jobs opportunity. Okay, so the first thing that they will be looking in you is what is your academic background, what kind of college or university that you are coming from. Okay, along with that, so they will also be checking your how much you have scored in these post graduation and the graduation degrees, like the percentile, percentage, or grade, whatever is the case. So then along with that, so they will also be checking what kind of skill set that you have. Do you have the basic to advanced Excel skills? Then do you understand the financial statements very well, like the financial analysis skills if you have? Then problem solving skills. So if you clear on both of these parameters, so then you'll be moving towards the interview process. So then only your resume or CV will be selected for the interview process. Okay, so let's assume so you clear on both of these parameters, so and you have been selected for the interview process. In the first round, you'll be going through a case study wherein they will ask you to basically work on industry overview, financial model, or Excel test. Okay, so in case you clear the case study round, so then you'll be moving towards the technical round. So in the technical round, so they will be checking you on the how much you understand about the finance basics, like the accounting ratio related questions and answer can be asked. Then in so they can also ask you a few questions related to the investment banking, such as WAC, beta, DCF, terminal value, EBITDA, LTM, enterprise value, and equity value, etc. Okay, so then once you clear the case study and the technical round, so then you will be moving towards the HR round. So in the HR rounds, they will check your attitude and your behavioral aspects, and along with that, so they will also be checking your soft skills, like how do you basically communicate with the HR, and so your communication skills will be assessed. Okay, so in case you clear all of these three rounds, so then you'll be selected for any investment banking or financial modeling opportunity. Okay, so this is the entire interview process that I've just took you through. Okay, so now I will review a financial modeling course based on certain parameters. Okay, now I'm going to review a financial modeling course offered by CFA Institute. Okay, so the course name is financial modeling. Okay, so if I scroll down to this particular website, so this course will require 10 to 20 hours to complete the entire course. So this is going to be an online self-paced learning course. So you'll be provided with the pre-recorded videos to complete this entire curriculum. Okay, so if we look at the prerequisites, so they are expecting you are having some basic familiarities with the principle behind financial modeling, or have completed the CFA program level 1 financial statement analysis content. Okay, So now coming to the overview of this course, like what all they are covering. So key learning objective for financial modeling, key learning objective by unit. So getting started, the front end, revenue, cost, depreciation, income tax, working capital, capital structure, financial statement, outputs, and troubleshooting. So this is the entire content that we are going to cover in this course. Okay. So if we talk about the fee structure, so they haven't mentioned anywhere related to like what fees that they're going to charge for it. But so this seems to be a very basic kind of course. So based on the features and the kind of things that we have looked into this course, so I'm going to rate this course basis these parameters. So you can just see the parameters are basically listed on the left. Okay. So if we talk about the course depth, so this is not going to be a very comprehensive one. Okay, so Excel skills that you're going to learn in this course. So live session is not there because this is going to be a self-learning course. Live doubt session will again not be there. Internship support they have not mentioned on their website. Placement support is not there. Course fee is something that you will be paying a very small amount of fees because this is a very basic kind of course. Course duration will again be very smaller. Okay, so money back guarantee they haven't talked about. Okay, so LMS access is something that we'll be getting in this course. So based on these parameters, so this course has scored 3 out of 10. Okay, in case you are really serious about basically building your career in this field of financial modeling and investment banking, so I can suggest a better financial modeling course which comes with the complete package which cover all the parameters that you are expecting from any financial modeling course. Okay, so I can share the details related to that particular course in the description box. Okay, please check that out in case you need any kind of further assistance from my end. So feel free to ping in the comment section. I will revert to you as soon as possible. Okay, so I hope you will like this video and thanks for watching the video.